Man, look, it's the VirtualBox for CD for the VirtualBox. I'm going to get the Windows 98. No man, you don't have the Windows 98. This is the drop down to the VirtualBox in floor and get the Windows 95. Okay, and let's get the Windows 95. I got the Windows 95 from the CD. We are going to put the Windows 95 CD on the computer. There is the computer. I'm going to Windows 95 CD in the computer. I'm going to installing the Windows 95. Now we are going to install the Windows 95. It's gonna installed. It's going copying files. Let's get the license terms. The Microsoft Windows 95 and go and learn for a Windows 95 on computer. Thanks. And let's click next. Choose for normal or the other. Click next. Next. It's checking the hard drive. Just the normal. Click next. We need have the certificate of authenticity to type. Who wants safe? Yes or no? Next. And next. Let's type the user. I love it. Woohoo! I guess I do. I can't type. Man, what is the problem? I'm trying to installing the Windows 95. Puff or so hot and next. And click all everythings. Let's choose forever. Man, now click them all everything. You are going to installed. Man, you are going to installing. Oh, look at that. Click next. Do you want to start up disk? No. Next. And now it's finished. We are going to CD out. Now man, was click finish. Press OK button. It's getting ready of the Windows 95. Let's type the computer name. Woohoo! I guess I do. This is the Earth was a 24 hours long for a time. I'm going to email and print. Next. Let's click no. Click OK. I'm going to type the username and passwords. Man, look, it's gonna to log in. Wow, this is Windows 95. Go to my computer. This is the C drive has been the 6 gigabytes for Windows 95. Let's shut down the computer. Hey Ryan, I just want to going to install and installing printer and it's so busted. Okay man, and let's drink the milk in bed. Well, drink to the milk. Then okay, goodbye now.